Welcome to Self-Love Mastery School. This is Sotoda Safi, and this is a hypnosis to restore your nervous system. I'd like you now to sit in a comfortable position with your spine straight and just relax your whole body. And you can just focus on my voice. Anything else that you hear from the outside will make you go deeper and deeper into relaxation. I'd like you now to relax your scalp, relax your forehead, relax your eyes, relax your eyebrows, your cheeks, your tongue, your neck, your shoulders and your arms. Relaxing your chest, your back, your abdomen, your hips and your legs. Releasing the tension from your whole body. Relaxing every single muscle, every single cell in your body. Relaxing your brain, your spine and all the nerves. Relaxing your heart, your blood vessels, your lungs, every organ, every tissue, every cell in your body goes deeper and deeper into relaxation. And I'd like you now to imagine that you are in this beautiful forest, and this forest is so peaceful, so beautiful. There are tall trees with big green leaves that you've never seen before. And this forest is so magical. You can feel the forest absorbing all the tension from your body, absorbing all your fears, all your stresses, all your worries completely. The forest absorbs all your thoughts and emotions just for this hypnosis. And you go deeper and deeper into relaxation. And you keep walking, and you realize that you have no shoes on. And you look down at your feet, and you can feel the coolness of the earth on the soles of your feet. And the earth is absorbing all the tension from your body. And you go deeper and deeper into relaxation. And you get closer to a tree, and you touch the tree, and the whole tree lights up. And you're just so amazed at how beautiful this forest is. And you keep walking, and you look up into the sky, and you see this bright shining light coming closer and closer towards you. And this light, sparkling golden light, comes closer and fills you in like a cup, coming down your crown, your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, coming down your neck, your shoulders, your arms. And this light keeps pouring on top of you, coming down your chest, your back, your abdomen, your hips and your legs. And the light goes inside of your brain, washing away any confusion, any illusions and attachments, coming down your throat, washing away any way you can't express yourself, any way you can't express your emotions, your needs, any way you can't express your creativity, your true authentic self. Coming down your heart center, the light washes away any anger, resentment, sadness, grief, unworthiness, jealousy, unforgiveness completely. And the light comes down your abdomen, washing away any self-doubt, any powerlessness, any insecurities, hopelessness, helplessness. Coming down your hips, washing away any shame, any guilt. Coming down your legs, washing away any fear. fear of abandonment, fear of rejection, fear of the unknown, fear of not being good enough, fear of conflict, fear of confrontation, fear of being criticized or judged, fear of being shamed. Any fear that's coming up for you, fear of change, fear of the unknown, fear of the future, fear of death, any fear that's coming up for you being released completely now, and the light penetrates the earth all the way to the core of the earth, where there is this motherly loving light, which then shoots back into your feet, your legs, your hips, your abdomen, and goes inside of your heart. From your heart center, this light expands bigger than yourself, like a big bubble around you, a bubble of love, a bubble of light, a bubble of protection, and a bubble of reflection. You're safe and protected, and nothing can affect you. Anything lower than love that comes towards you will go back to where it came from. And so it is. And this bubble around you expands bigger than yourself, bigger than the room you're in, bigger than the building you're in, bigger than the city you're in, bigger than the country you're in, bigger than the continent you're in, and bigger than the whole wide world. And now you can see the whole world in front of you, becoming smaller and smaller. And you're so expanded. Your energy is so expanded. And you can just focus on my voice. Anything else that you hear from the outside will make you go deeper and deeper into relaxation. And now, I'd like to invite 100,000 angels and archangels, Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Gabriel, just to be here, supporting you in this session. I'd like to invite your higher self to be here with you, to help and support you in this session. I'd like you to see that you are going inside of your body, and I'd like you just to see your brain, your spine, and all the nerves in your body, your whole nervous system, and speak to your nervous system. Ask your nervous system how it's doing. How are you? How are you feeling? Are you hurt? Who hurt you? Are you angry? Are you tired? Are you afraid? Listen to the answers that it gives you. And you can be there for your nervous system and say, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry for everything that happened to you. But I see you, I hear you, I understand you. I accept you just the way you are. And I love you more than anything in the whole wide world, and I'll take care of you. You don't need to be afraid anymore. I'll be here every single day to take care of you. And I'll protect you. And I'll nourish you. And everything's gonna be okay. I love you more than anything. And I'd like you to really hold your nervous system in your arms and keep reassuring your nervous system that you'll do everything in your power to keep it healthy, regenerated, restored, nourished, energized. And as you say this, you see this big, bright, sparkling light coming on top of the brain, coming down the spine, filling in all the nerves, each and every single nerve in your body, creating a layer of protection, nourishment, so much love and energy, energizing your whole nervous system, protecting it from anything that can harm your nervous system. Just really see this energy illuminating and protecting your whole nervous system like an extra layer of light. You're safe, you're protected. Your nervous system is strong. Your nervous system is protected, always. And just enjoy this calmness. Enjoy this silence and nourish your nervous system. And you can come back to this hypnosis anytime you need to feel stronger, more protected, more supported, and nourished, energized, and rejuvenated. Allow your nervous system to recover with ease. Thank you for listening. I'm sending you so much love.